It's a bubbly one today, boys. A bubbly intro. So just sit back and enjoy the bubbles. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute, I know, but I'm here to tell you why. And I'm gonna give you a little story time today. Okay? So, the reason why I have not uploaded a video is because, wait for it, ain't this an excuse for everybody? I've been working 12 hours a day. I haven't had time for it. Not only have I haven't had time for it, I haven't been getting off weekends either, so it makes it double not have time for it, so there you go. But I did try to make a fishing video. I did try to make the April MTB Slam. I didn't do the unboxing of that one, but I did try to do the slam of it. And here's a clip right here of failure. I've only caught 2 fish, so roll the clip, please. Alright, so we're right here. There's one. There we go, boys. There's one. First cast over here. It's a little small. It's really small, actually. I got fucking ants on my feet. Goddamn. It's really small, actually. But there's one. Damn. There's one with no tail. I mean, no trail. So I'm gonna put a trail on her now. Let her go. It's hard to get a little action. Well, that was a fucking fail, whatever it was. I accidentally fucking cashed it and hit the camera. Jesus. Today's not going. Alright, well, so a cop just pulled behind me or whatever. They was parked over there. So I had to run over there, see what the hell was going on. He was like, I was just seeing who this truck was sitting in the middle, sitting on the side of the road. I'm like, well, yeah, that's me, so whatever. He said I was good. So let's get back to this fucking slam that I'm probably not gonna finish. Probably not gonna be able to finish. We'll see then. There we go, boys. Oh shit. I just got one. Just got one on that little fucking crankbait, a little lipless. This one right here. So I mean, that was the first cast back over here at this pond. Little baby, kissing for good luck, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be bigger one day. Thing's little as hell. So let's throw her back. Ready? Yeet. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna tell them something different real quick. That was the clip of the 2 fish. Didn't catch anything after that. So, and I got kicked out of the dude's pond. Yeah, that wasn't fun. Got kicked out of private property pond. He's like, don't come back. It's like, alright, dude. I don't know why he won't let us fish there, but whatever. Yeah, I failed the freaking MTB Slam. Oh, yeah. So my Jeep was parked on the side of the road where I was fishing, and a sheriff, like, I didn't have tags on it at the time. Still don't, actually. And a sheriff fucking did a U-turn after he went past it. Cut his lights on and got behind it, so I had to run all the way from the pond, all the way back up to the highway, and film this, film that, whatever, you know. But yeah, hopefully I'll get some new videos out soon. It's a little update. I got a new Jeep, by the way. It's a little update video on what's been going on, and I'm probably gonna do some videos on this Jeep about, you know, if anything goes wrong with it, fix it up on video, you know. I really want a GoPro though, but this you see the camera quality is a little bit better than the last videos because I got a new phone. Ain't gonna lie, I'm recording on my phone, but I really want to get a GoPro. If you guys want to help me out, you know, comment down in the comments. You want to help me out, I'll give you my PayPal. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna beg for money, but yeah, I'll probably get one here soon. Next couple paychecks. But anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this boring content, but y'all have a yeehaw ass day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.